Hey guys, what's up? The Bus Channel here, and today we're going to be unboxing a couple of photos and some models. So yeah, let's start off with the models. So here we go, this just came today. For some reason they stuck plasters on it. Don't know why. Oh, here we go. So here's the first one. And there's the second one, so I'll just throw the box over there. So yeah, starting off with the first one, or the second one even. We have a Banania bus, or whatever you call it. I think it's an American one. So yeah, here's the front, the side, the back, the other side, the roof, and the bottom of. And of course, this is from eBay. Moving on, we have an American school bus. Same seller, obviously, because they did them as a job lot. As you can see, here's the front, the side, the back, the other side, the roof, and the bottom. And I think there is a yellow roof version of this, so I've got to get my hands on that. And it is a pullback. But the Banania one isn't, or whatever you say it as. Moving on, we have the Lolido model, which I got ages ago, because my sister gave it to me. And so yeah, here's front, the side, the back, the other side, the roof, and the bottom. And obviously it's a London Transport. I don't know what make it is though. So yeah, moving on. We have the bus from Thomas. Obviously some of you guys will probably say this is a bit babyish, but to be honest, I couldn't care less. So yeah, here's the front, the side, the back, the other side, the roof, and the bottom. And moving on, we have some photos. And I've had some of these in the packages for quite a while. And if you're wondering, on Tuesday, I will be going to the coaches. And yes, CBW Coach and Bus Week are going to put me in their magazine again. So yeah, pretty cool. I know what these are. Yep, that is all of them. So yeah, just yeah, starting off with the Johnson Bros. 77RT is its license plate. So yeah, here's the front and the back, and yes, it is a Scania Irizar. Moving on, we have a Scania Omni City. I think it is anyways. If it is an Omni link, I'll correct it in the text when I upload this. So yeah, Transdev, reg is YSO3S, no, YSO3ZLN, and I have got a model of this, which I'll put a photo of in the text. No, not text. That corner or that corner or that corner or that corner. I don't know which. It's got to be one of the top two. So yeah, here's the front and there's the back. I think it's either an Ipswich or a Transdev. I don't know. I'll correct that as well if I'm wrong. So here we have a Stagecoach London Mercedes-Benz Citaro Bendy bus. LX04 LCF 23067. No, 23067, yeah, that is its fleet number. So yeah, here's the front and there's the back. Moving on, we have a Stagecoach bus, Enviro 200, Alexander Dennis, being towed by a Scania Wrecker. So yeah, don't know what the reg of the bus is, but I'll put that in the text. Well, in the reg of the lorry is, I can't really see it, so yeah. If I will find out the reg of the bus, I will put that in the text and the fleet number as well. So yeah, here's the front and there's the back. Moving on, this is the last photo out of this package. We have a York City sightseeing. Not too sure what make of bus this is. I'll put it in the text. The reg is AS17, no A517 BXG. Can't see the fleet number because it's a bit blurred. So yeah, obviously I will put the fleet number in the text and what company owns York City Sightseeing. I can't tell by the photo. So yeah, I'll put both of them in the text together. Excuse me, I just farted. Moving on. This is one of my more recent ones. Yes, I did cut this out of a newspaper. When we were doing a collage in class and we were looking at the newspapers, I thought, ooh, I see a bus. So yeah, we have some information on an Opta Solo SER. Can't see the reg, but if I can find the reg out and the company, I will put it in the text below. So yeah, moving on. Yeah, here's front, and there's back, which is from the other side of the newspaper. Then moving on, we have another bit from the newspaper. I stole it from the Top Gear magazine from school. And we have half a London bus and a couple of them in the background. So yeah, here's the front, and there's the back. And yes, it was like 300 subscribers special or something, which I may have ruined, but who cares? So yeah. I do like the old Top Gear, but not the new one. It is shit. Moving on. Is that the only photo in there? Yeah, it's the only photo. Get on the floor. So here we have I think it's a Platinum Premier. Could be an XU or a Primer. If I'm wrong, I'll put the correction in the text. It's owned by National Express, and the reg is J439HDS. So yeah, here's front, and there's the back. And if it has a fleet number, I will put that in the text as well. Moving on, we have this envelope. These are all photos now, in case you guys are wondering. Yep, nothing else in there. Here we have a couple of National Express scanning erasers, and they did have a previous company, but I can't pronounce it, so I'll put it in the text. Can't really see the regs either, so yeah, here's front and there's the back. Moving on, we have that. Yeah, that's all. Moving on, we have City Sightseeing from Blackpool. Reg D257FYM. If it's not a D, I'll correct it. So yeah, here's front and there's the back. And if you want to know, I'll put the makes of the bus or coach or minibus in the title as well. So yeah. When I've caught up on uploading, I might start putting the bus's registration plates in the text. A bit like the Transport Lens does. So yeah. I've seen this photo somewhere, or am I thinking of another one? I'm thinking of another one. Here we have a Quality Line bus, PE56 UFK. And if it does have a fleet number, I will put it in the text along with the make and its previous company. So yeah, here's front, and there's the back. I don't know if that one does have a previous company or not. Moving on, we have a Baker bus, K9 963CLE, and it's Mercedes-Benz. No, not too sure what the make is, so as per usual, I'll put it in the text. So yeah, here's the front, there's the back. Obviously it's not the Baker's coaches that I brought R45 off. It's a different one. So yeah, here we have another photo of the Scania Irisars. Same company, National Express, and yes, I will put its previous company in the title below as well. No, not the title, and the text below as well. So yeah, here's the front, there's the back. Moving on, we have a picture of the Stratford Blue Depot, or the old one, even though they don't exist anymore because I don't know why, but Stagecoach have recently relived it. Well, I say recently, it's like a couple of months ago. A couple of months ago, we liveried one of their Enviro 400s to be the Stratford Blue KX10 KTE, I think. So yeah, I have filmed it obviously. I'm near Stratford. So yeah, here's the front and there's the back. I will put the two makes of the buses. I think the and I will put the regs in the title as well because I can't really see them. I think one of them's a Regent and I don't know what this one is. So yeah, moving on, we have Optest Solo from Trust Line, now known as Trusty Bus, and they're from Harlow. So yeah, reg of this is TL51BUS, which is pretty cool. I will put what type of Optest Solo it is, and if it has a fleet number, I will do that as well. So yeah, here's the front, there's the back. Next, excuse me, I just farted, is Epsom Coaches, aka Quality Line, I think. Is Cetra, but I will put what make Cetra is in the text. Registration plate is BU060SO. I will put the year in as well. So yeah, here's front, there's the back, and the previous companies. Moving on, we have a Leyland Leopard from Sarsways. I don't know how you pronounce that. And I can't really see the reg or the fleet number, so I'll put that in the text. And it is like my mate's Rob's, which was at Redbacks, and some of the other rallies. Yeah, it is a Leyland Leopard. I don't think it is Rob's though. It's a different one. So yeah, here's front, there's the back. Moving on, the final one from this package, we have a Boris Master, aka New Bus for London, aka New England Master, or Boris Bus. So yeah, it is in a silver and red livery. I'll put what company it is. Oh, it's Stagecoach, I think. If I'm wrong on that, I will correct myself. Number plate is LTZ 1271. I will put the fleet number in the text as well. I can't see it. Yeah, moving on to the final few packages now. So yeah, here we go. Why have I got a Christmas card or Christmas newspaper? Get out of here. Wait, nothing else. That's a piece of shit. Garbage, garbage, and garbage. Whoopsie. I could have just done that. So yeah, here we have not an opt sale, why am I saying that? A minibus. I will put the make in and the regs. It's quite hard to see and it's quite dark outside. So I will put the picture of the minibus on eBay at the corner there, and it's a YMCA one. So yeah, here's front and there's back. Moving on, we have this package. Just checking if that is it. Yes, it is. Is that it? Yeah. Okay. You may have sent me two here. I don't know why, but they're exactly the same. Oh, I've got a spare one. So yeah, it's front and here's the back. Both of them are Just checking if they are the same. Yeah, they are. They're Red Bull Stagecoach PX50 59 CUJ, and that goes for both of them. Alexander Dennis and Pyro 400. I'm not complaining. I got 2 photos for free, even though they're exactly the same. Moving on. Plus, he sent me a spare one in case I lost it, which I have done with one. Oh, I thought that was well in there. Throw that on the floor for now. We have a photo of a trolley bus, and I will, unbox it. Well, this is the same guy that I got the Route Master photo from ages ago. Do they package it the same way? Shit, that went on my tea then. Here are the 2 little trolley buses, I think from Manchester. I will put the regs in the text below. And the make. So yeah, here's front, and there's the back. Now, let's get the thumbnail. There we go. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out.